In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task reminders in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to configure your tasks so reminders arrive at the right time and nothing slips through the cracks. Start on your HubSpot home screen. This is your launchpad for everything you do in the platform. From here, head to the CRM section. That's where your records and daily to-dos live, and it's the best place to manage follow-ups in a consistent, repeatable way. Inside the CRM, open the Tasks area. This is your dashboard for what needs doing today, what's coming up, and what's overdue. You'll see filters and views you can customize later, but for now, let's create a new task. Click Create Task. A panel or window will open with fields you can fill out. Give your task a clear, action-oriented title like Follow Up with Proposal or Call to Confirm Meeting. If you're assigning this to someone, choose the task owner so it appears on their list. If it's for you, keep yourself as the owner. Set the due date and time. This defines when the task should be completed. Just below or near that, choose the reminder time. This is the crucial step. Pick when HubSpot should nudge you. At the due time, a few hours before, the day before, or a custom window that matches your workflow. If your team spans time zones, make sure the time zone is correct so reminders arrive when intended. Add context so the task is easy to complete without back and forth. Use the Notes field to include the purpose, key details, and any links or files the assignee will need. Select a task type, like Call, Email, or To-Do, so it slots into the right queues and reports. If your account supports queues, add it to a relevant one to batch similar work. Associate the task with the right contact, company, deal, or ticket so the reminder shows up where you're working and the activity is logged on the record. You can also set priority to flag what needs attention first. If your plan includes repeating tasks, you can optionally set a repeat schedule here to automate recurring reminders. Before saving, double-check the essentials: owner, due date and time, reminder timing, associations, task type, and notes. Clean inputs now mean fewer fixes later and smoother handoffs. When everything looks good, click Create. You'll see the task appear in your list. Confirm the reminder is scheduled and consider testing one with a near-term reminder to make sure notifications reach you as expected. That's it. Your task reminder is set in HubSpot CRM.